There's no undoing the violence.
He has been terminated.
I haven't been terminated.
We stand with you.
This is Columbia.
In April 2024, pro-terror groups established an encampment at Columbia University. Columbia was the ideal breeding ground for anti-Israel activism. Many faculty members openly supported the pro-Hamas movement.
I think the encampment is the best of what education has to offer.
We honor you because this is Columbia.
Columbia has a long history of empowering anti-Semitic and anti-Israel professors.
We have an obligation to center Gaza in the classroom. We have an obligation to center the genocide in our classes.
Intifada doesn't represent genocidal speech. And I think neither does From the River to the Sea.
People who go to Jewish day schools, people who are religiously observant, they're indoctrinated.
Numerous Columbia professors justified the Hamas massacre of October 7.
Let me bring your attention to Muhammad Abdu, who was hired after the October 7th terrorist attack. He, on October 11th, posted, "Yes, I'm with Hamas and Hezbollah and Islamic Jihad."
Professors praised the student protesters.
I'm just in awe of the students. They're blowing me away, really.
We love you. We stand with you. We support you.
On November 20th, 2023, Columbia's pro-Hamas professors and administration members formed Faculty and Staff for Justice in Palestine, or FSJP, to coordinate their support and assist student protesters.
All week long, faculty in these vests have been out there stopping trouble, protecting our students from troublemakers and from the police.
Staff shielded even the most violent students from disciplinary action.
We demand that all Barnard College and Columbia University suspensions and charges be dismissed immediately.
Faculty publicly supported the encampment. They manipulated school policies, organized walkouts and alternative graduations, and wrote open letters of solidarity. FSJP volunteers blocked Jewish students and faculty from entering.
We are only letting students who have slept here.
Certain that I'm a student at this university and I'm allowed
I've been here every day and I know you.
Organizers declared the encampment a liberated zone, which meant no Zionist Jews or Israelis allowed.
I remember very clearly the man who pulled up the Hamas symbol on his phone and pointed at it and said, "I'm with them, I'm here for you," pointing at us.
We just met with a group of students who told us that not only have they been bullied, but they've been, many of them, assaulted.
On April 21st, the fear of pro-Hamas violence reached the point where Columbia's Hillel rabbi advised Jewish students to leave campus altogether.
We have been attacked with sticks outside of our library. We have been surrounded by angry mobs, and we have been threatened to, quote, keep fucking running.
There's no one there to protect us on campus.
On April 30th, 2024, the NYPD arrested 49 student protesters. 22 of them had violently ransacked Hamilton Hall and held 3 employees hostage. Not one student was expelled. It was instead Jewish professor Shai Davidai who was barred from campus after he denounced anti-Semitism at the encampment.
You cannot let people that support Hamas on campus and me, a professor, not go on campus.
In contrast, anti-Semitic professor Mohammed Abdu, allegedly fired for supporting Hamas, was allowed to roam freely around campus. The administration was in full PR mode.
On my watch, faculty who make remarks that cross the line in terms of anti-Semitism, there will be consequences. So he has been terminated? He has been terminated.
Shafiq lied. I haven't been terminated. I'm sitting in my office. And as a matter of fact, I've taught the last 2 classes the last 2 weeks at the encampment.
Columbia University, once a bastion of academic excellence, has devolved into a hostile hotbed of extremism.
I fight to kill.
Kill yourself!
Get out of my face.
Intifada!